Okay, let us now consider a special situation. We want to calculate the magnetic moment of a charged plate which is rotating with some angular velocity, let's say omega. So this type of thing is called phonograph record. In the old days, our grandfathers used to play such instrument. So let me show you what is this. I am just drawing it mathematically. So some kind of circular plate is there, and the circular plate is carrying some surface charge density sigma. Okay, and this charged plate is rotating with some angular velocity, let's say omega. Okay, then what will be the amount of magnetic moment of this plate? This is what we have to find out. Let's say the radius of this plate is r. To calculate this, what we can do, we know that the magnetic moment formula mu or m is equals to I into a. A is a vector, or sometimes you can write I into a into n cap. Now for this type of continuous case, how can you calculate? To calculate that, we are taking a strip at some radius, let's say r. So we are taking a circular strip of radius r, and let's say the width of this strip is dr, like this. This much of width is dr. So the magnetic moment of this infinitesimal strip is, let's say, dm. So what will be the value of dm? Dm is equals to I into a. Okay, so for the timing I am just denoting it I into a. Current flowing through this strip only, and a is the area of this strip. What is the area of this strip? Area of this strip, let's say dA, is equals to 2 pi r dr. This is the area of the strip. Now what about the current? Current I is equals to dq by dt. dq is the charge enclosed in this strip. What is the charge? Area 2 pi r dr, multiply the surface charge density sigma. Now what is dt? Time. You consider a reference line here. Now you rotate. So this will rotate and will come again at the reference point after an interval of the time period t. The time it takes to rotate by one time period t. So here, that is why we write dt as t, that is 2 pi by omega. 2 pi angle is traversed with angular velocity omega in time t, capital T. So that is why we get this. So 2 pi get cancelled. So sigma omega r dr. Let's put the value here. I is equals to sigma omega r dr, and the value of a pi r square, right? So this is equals to pi sigma omega r cube dr. So this is the amount of magnetic moment for this infinitesimal strip. So what about the total magnetic moment? M is equals to integration of dm. This is equals to integration pi sigma omega r cube dr. Now the limit of r is equals to 0 to the total is r, capital R. So this will produce pi sigma omega r to the power 4 upon 4. So in this way you can calculate the magnetic moment of this kind of charged plate which is rotating with angular velocity omega. I hope you find this video useful. If you have any question, query, confusion, you can let me know in the comment section. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe to the channel and don't forget to press the bell icon. Finally, thanks for watching. Unacademy is India's one of the largest teaching learning platform. You can prepare for various competitive exams like CSR, NET, GATE, JEST, IIT, JAM, TFR, etc. Especially if you are preparing for CSR Net Physical Science, you can join me on Unacademy Plus. You can utilize our referral code PhysicsHub for getting the maximum benefits while taking the subscription. One subscription will enable you to watch the live and recorded classes of all educators of all time, including me. You will get all the 9 units covered under physical science categories for CSR Net examination. To take the Unacademy Plus subscription today and put your feet one step ahead towards reaching a goal. Thank you.